Hello guys, I am Abhilash. I am going to explain to you how to configure the Docker. So I am using the Mac, so there is no command prompt, so I have to use the terminal. In the terminal, if you want to know the Docker version, Docker space version. So you will see your version over here. Then I am going to log into the Docker login and username, password. So I have been successfully logged into the Docker. Now I am going to explain about the NameNode container. It is responsible for managing the metadata of the file stored in the HDFS. So there is a couple of commands. You can pull the image and you can check the status of the image. The first command I am going to type it for NameNode. So this command is for the NameNode. As you can see, its image is up to date. The second one is for the DataNode. Yep, it's also, you can see that its image is up to date. Now I am going to create the network for the Docker. There's a command Docker network create Hadoop net. It's already exiting. Now this is one of the main part. I am going to create the NameNode, and the commands are quite lengthy. You can see the NameNode has been created and it shows a green, means it's active. Now I am going to create a DataNode. I am going to create the couple of DataNodes so that we can use it for replication or replication matters later on. I'm going to so first I'm creating the DataNode. We're gonna name it to 1. DataNode 1 is created. Now the DataNode 2 is going to create. One more DataNode. DataNode 3. So I have been created DataNode 1, 2, 3 and the NameNode. As of now I am going to check the root directory of the container, and the command is docker exec NameNode space slash, and now going to create a new directories inside a container. So docker exec NameNode make directory space data files. Okay, now we are going to check the fault tolerance. So now I am going to demonstrate the fault tolerance of HDFS. So the command will be docker exec 80 node bash. Okay, now we are going to format HDFS. Now going to HDFS NameNode format. So it going to formatting now. So this is a new system, so I have no files to keep it. So I'm going to click yes. Okay. Now I'm going to create a sample text file for to check the test. Here. So you can see that here is directory is sample deactivation sample.txt has created. Then we're gonna verify the block replications. Block replications. The command HDFS FCSK data sample dot text files blocks locations. HDF Now you can see that it's healthy. Then then the average block replication 3, default replication factor 3. So now now we are going to adjust the replication factor in DFS into, so we're gonna adjust the replication into 4. So so there is a command. So we're gonna type, so here is a 4, we're gonna adjust from 3. Now currently we have a 3, replication factor is 3, now it's going to be changed into 4. So it has been set to be 4. Now replication factor is set to be 4. Then DFS chart and data, and we are checking it. So it's confirmed that it's right now the replication is set to be 4. So now we have to verify the replication changes. So the same command, we're gonna check the HDFS block location. Now the replication has been set to be 4. So yep, see. Average block 3 missing 3. Patient 3. Okay, so it's showing that it's healthy now we are going to simulate the node. Now we are going to deactivate one node, so we will go to data node. Now after the comma you can see that the data node already went offline. Now you will go back to the tolerance to check. You gonna check HDFS file. You want to know how is the replication will work and how is the status should be healthy. You can see that is found one item is 4, it's already 4. Then you can see is still showing healthy. Single and average replication 3. When we put the replication is 4, it should be 3 replication, average replication 3 and 3, because we set the replication to be 4, so it should be 3. So that what is showing here. So and also the even if it was off, it's still showing 3, and also the sample text is healthy. So is fault tolerance and replication is working well. We turn back, then exit. Now we are going to add the CSV file to the Docker. CSV file I have created. This is the CSV file I have been created for suppliers, actions, suppliers, transactions, customers and product, and it has been saved as CSV file. This CSV file will go into add it to the Docker. So is Docker cp, then copy paste the path of the file which is saved in the local. Then there is NameNode /data. It's a long file. So here copied. Next one, you just need to change the CSV file name. Suppliers, transactions. Next one, customers, suppliers. Next one, productions, products. So yeah, it's perfect. Everything has been saved. Now you're gonna check all the CC files in the NameNode. There is another alternative way. You can go to NameNode, then you can go to files, again you can click the data. You will see all the 4 files you created has been already seen there. Then next step will be view the direction of the HDF files. Docker exec NameNode HDFS DFS ls space. You can see that the data which we put there, it's already showing that. Now this is a directory of the HDFS. Now create the new directory of the HDFS. The new directory of the Docker exec NameNode HDFS DFS make directory. put the I want to create the folder name names shops. Now you have to run again to check the directory. You will see that data shops. Okay, so now we are gonna create this folder in the shops folder. So there is a command which is quite longer. Shops product. Products. Suppliers. Customers. Transactions. So all the CSV file has been added. Now if you can choose one of the CSV file and check what are the files inside that CSV files. So I gonna choose the product. So you will see what are the files inside my Excel files. To check if the product has been added shops. Oh, okay. I'm going to add it again because so is docker exe products, it should be product. So here okay, products dot csv products dot csv. Yeah, it's now yep, now is product has been added. Now it will be customers adding the customers now product customers. Now we have two more suppliers and transactions. Suppliers the last one will be the transactions. Yeah, perfect. So all added now. So you already added the product, um, suppliers, transaction, and customers. Now you can check, you can choose one of the CSV file and check what is inside the file. So here I going to choose the products. So this time it's gonna work. I'm gonna choose the products. Now you can see what are the products inside that product.csv files. You can see the all the fruits, vegetables. I can run one more example and choose customers. So you will see who are the customers. Customers. So we have 4 customers. Yeah, you can see that John, name. Yeah, we have 4 customers there. Yep. And now we are going to configure Hive at the Docker. So Docker pull t2020 Hive. So now we are in the Hive. Then run the Docker container. The command is quite long. So here is, then we have to edit the XML in the XML file in the Hive. So you can see Hive has been created. You can see there's a Hive. Then go to Hive files, then the Hive config XML, open editor, completely clear it out, clear everything, then paste and save it. So after that, the next step next step you need to make sure that schema tool is successfully running. So gonna run a command. Schema team is successfully running. So yep, you can see the schema tool has been completed. So it's successfully completed. Now we can store the metastore where the Hive database is stored. You can stop the process with the using Control C. And you can now I am going to configure the IP. You can see 172.80.0.2, and this command is one which is getting the Hive server. It's going to fetch the Hive server. You can see the configuration is ongoing. Now we are on Hive. Now we already inside the Hive server. We want to check some details. So now you are at a Hive server. So when you click, show tables. So we got an error, so I gotta show you how I am going to troubleshoot and fix it. So you just need to stop. To run again the Hive. Now we are under the Hive now. So we will show tables. Oh, now it's working now. Okay, so now we already Hive everything we done with the Hive. Now we are going to see the tree structure. So you need to be exit from the Hive. So it's control C, then control C. You will see all the details here, making tools, everything. Then the command will be entered to direct. You will see, yeah, these are the shops data. These are the one root super group we created. Now I gonna create the external table for each CSV file, like products, supplier, transaction, and customers, using SQL. So we need to go back to Hive using this command. I have created the SQL external table for the each of the CSV files. Since it is more than 5 lines, we are allowed to copy. This is for the products. This is for the suppliers. This is for the transactions. This is for the customers. So first we already create a table for customers. Now I'm going to add the value for the customers. So I will put the customer details and input here. Then at first I going to choose one customer. I want SQL to pick up a customer name which is last name should be Smith. So I'm going to write a command, select star from supermarkets supermarkets underscore customers where last name is equal to where last name is Smith, so it will shows the name who name it will shows a person who has a last name Smith. See, person name Johnny Smith. When you go to the Excel file, customers, you can see Smith, Johnny Smith, last name is Smith. Then next one will be the one more person. We can have an customers, Brown, that's Alice Brown. Next one next one we will select we will want to know how many customers are come in the supermarket. So select star from supermarkets underscore customers. These are the customers. These are the customer details in the Excel sheet. Now it will count. So it's select count total underscore customers from supermarkets customers. It will count and give you a value. Okay, this is 3. So now all the I want to know the emails of the all customers in the supermarket. Select email from supermarkets customers. So this is showing all the emails is also the same as in the Excel sheet. Now whose email is like John. So this journal is all inside in the Excel sheet. Now we are going to select now we are going to the products actioner table has been already created and input, and now I am going to insert the product details. So these are the product details I have installed and I have inserted. Now we're gonna choose select from supermarket products where category is equal to fruits. This banana, okay, per category, so it's going to be products, okay, fruit. You can see it, the fruit was fruit category, banana is belongs to fruit category. Now select from select from supermarkets products where vegetable category is equal to which vegetables. So it's carrot. You can see is carrot is product, carrot is vegetable, carrot is vegetable. Now it's a dairy where dairy so that's a milk. Now we are going to another SQL command in the product. We are going to provide the category it's fruits. What are the fruits under the fruit category? It's banana and the fruits. Banana is also the food. Then you will get the it's a long command. You'll get the sum. Select product name, select the product name, price from supermarkets products. Okay, those are the in the products banana, carrot, and its price also showing that one. You can see it products fruits. Banana is 0.8. That's the value. Now select from supermarket from supermarket undergo products where stock quality stock quality greater than 100. greater than 100. Okay, so in products, you can see the less greater than 100 is banana, fruit, carrot, yeah, banana, fruits, yeah. From the supermarket, select count, count, select count, count as dairy product, count from supermarkets, products where category is equal to category, dairy, category is equal to dairy, select from select count. Okay, let's mix with other commands. It's work. So it's one. Now select from supermarkets underscore products where supplier ID is equal to S003. S003 market products. Okay, that's milk. Okay, so only just the desktop. Products. Milk is the supermarket where supply ID 003. supply ID 003. Supply ID 00, product ID, supply ID S00, where supply ID S002, which one is supply ID 002 should be mail. Supply ID supply ID 003. Supply ID, I'm checking the supply ID. Yeah, 007 is one correct one. Milk dairy, yeah, supply is less than. Next one. So 002, select. Now we are going to enter the transaction. Say the transaction. Select the where. Select where the quality is to. Discrete transactions. So when you say discretion, you will see transaction ID is integer. You see, it's only asking for an integer. So now the suppliers. Now we are gonna work with the suppliers. Table external table already created. Now I am inserting the values. So suppliers select from supermarkets suppliers suppliers. So it's suppliers. suppliers. Yeah, suppliers already loaded. Now, yeah, you can see the suppliers. What are suppliers? It's showing that suppliers. Suppliers. Next, we gonna chat with suppliers, so that you will see all the suppliers. Select I am name product ID from supermarkets. Product ID supermarkets. Select the supply name from select suppliers product from select yeah, select OP6 suppliers. Select no, want to limit to which suppliers, and select from suppliers for the order by. This is for the order by asset order by. Okay, order by. Yeah, look at the guys, suppliers. Dairy foam, everything is there. So the suppliers, now the suppliers, limited suppliers where price is less than 1. That one is 2, yeah, greater than 1, less than 1, 2, null. If you want, you can where the product ID from the suppliers. Select supplier name id from id from supermarkets underscore suppliers. Deselect this one. Suppliers. So these are the mix. See transaction. Order. Okay, then SQL commands. So we need to go back to so I have been run through some commands in the Hive. So we need to go back to Hive to run the command. If you get the SQL command always running in the Hive, so you're going to run in the Hive, then select. So I'm gonna add the suppliers table, insert suppliers tables. Okay, select count from supermarkets, from supermarkets suppliers, suppliers. Select, yeah, you're gonna select the count of the customers. Okay, which 9 is already counted. Now select price per unit greater than 1, price per unit, price per unit. Supermarket suppliers. And those three category only supplies. Okay, so based on the insertion, I have created the table with it, put the data. Yes, install Docker, it's already there. Pull the images, I show it to you. Then create a node and multiple node. It has been completed. Default 567. I already when I put the set of 4, it shows the replication. The fault tolerance is working properly. Yep, it's added already. Docker is already added. Then Hive already configured. Then Hive already edit. Then run the shell command, and almost 20 SQL commands can be run successfully run, and each table I have been created the extended table for SQL, and SQL command has been done already. Thank you for thank you for letting me do this kind of assignment. Thanks for the professor, and have a nice day. Bye.